Yeah, that's how we actually feel right now, isn't it? Right? I mean, as of this recording, which is Friday night for me in Dubai, and still a couple of hours, well, actually about 2 hours before the market closes. And it's another great day for space. And I will, spare you all this, what I'm usually saying, that if you want to be part of this wolf pack, then check the links below. You can get access to my X10 masterclass with lifetime access to the Discord chat, and also get the Webull account with free stocks. And after Robinhood, made a couple of questionable moves, I would, recommend to move to Webull, right? Anyway, let's have a look into space. What space is actually doing is 5% plus. That's why you see the studio light in green, obviously. And I did some YOLO moves, and there's a couple of reasons for that. First of all, I want to show you that I put money where my mouth is, okay? Because people are sometimes saying, and I don't care too much what people are thinking about me or what they are saying about me. I'm here to, put free financial content out there and make you wealthy on the way, hopefully. And since the first big X10 stock investment, Tesla, we are moving now to X10 space, in my personal opinion. And there are some crazy happenings, right? Everyone knows now Wall Street bets, the community that went after a stock that was heavily shorted, that have little news, that, give the ignition, and then short sellers that got absolutely crashed, all right? So funny story, definitely in no investing book you can find something like this. This is 2021 things. And I just can't get enough from them, okay? The memes, the conversations, the fun, the videos out there. Follow me also on Instagram. I'm sharing all of that there. And there's a couple of reasons I did this YOLO calls, which we will dive in. I will show you exactly transparent how much I invested, when I invested, why I invested, and everything. So stay tuned till the end of this video. So, as you know, here on this channel, Wolf of Dubai, we were very early on space. We believe in the company, we believe in the team, we believe in the product. The product is an X Prize winner, which is a very complicated competition where actually they had to prove to send a spaceship out there 2 times in orbit within 2 weeks with 80% of the same parts. And they did it with this very innovative spaceship and the method where they take a mothership and go until 50,000 feet and then launched the aircraft from there. And this is just so beautiful to see that Richard Branson jumped on that, and then Shamas jumped on that and brought this beauty on the stock market. And obviously there's a huge brand, the Virgin brand, on that, and with 2 very, very respectful entrepreneurs and investors, Richard Branson and Shamas, and now also the CEO, Michael Koglaser. You have a very fantastic team, and just imagine what will happen with the stock, with the company when they start operations. Now they are just 2 flights away. The one should be announced in a couple of days, and the second one will be, a month or 2 after that. And then we will have the big PR event where Richard Branson going into space. All right, so this is very, very important. I just shared a catalyst that we will also dive in what can happen in the next couple of weeks with the stock, what can push the stock further. The next big reason I did this, because this kind of YOLO calls are fun, okay? Usually I say, don't invest too much in your calls because it's very, very difficult. But in this special situation, even when I lose this money, and we are talking about like 18 grand, all right? It's not like $2,000-$3,000. It's more than some financial YouTubers have in their whole portfolio. I'm not bragging here. I'm just saying that, I want to understand for you that this is fun money for me that I can spend on this kind of things. I am not hurt financially if this doesn't come true. And if the fun starts with space stock as the next GameStop stock, then obviously we will be very, very part of that. Okay, so a win-win situation for me. If it doesn't play out, then I will be not sad at all. All right, so And the third thing is that, I just strongly believe that the stock can go up to $65, $75 in a matter of the next few months. So here are the catalysts that I just posted on Twitter a couple of hours ago. This is my Twitter account if you want to follow me, Wolf underscore investing, and then basically you see here my catalysts that I think will happen in the next couple of weeks. So first, the next test flight announcement, which is probably in the first week of Feb. I studied the Virgin Galactic Twitter and saw when such news were actually launched, and this was always, towards end of the week. So maybe after hours we will have this huge news that we will have a new flight window. Anyway, if not this Friday or yesterday, as you're watching this on Saturday, then definitely in the next couple of days, I believe. Okay, the second will be the Q4. Usually no big moves on that. So maybe we will have some news also with the Mach 3 airplane during the earnings, or some kind of update for this new product that they are working on already. And I think the most important is how many potential new customers came on top of the, I think, 600 already, very, very, serious customers that they have already in their waiting list. And then obviously we shall see maybe probably March, the new test flight window for the final rehearsal flight. And then I think in April, as per their interview with CNN or with Sky, I don't remember, but Richard Branson said, this was in January, in 2 or 3 months he expects to go into space. So this is, obviously something that I feel could happen. And why it could happen that Wall Street Bet jump on that and can absolutely, buy everything out of space, because it's just the story that matter, okay? Very big short interest in Virgin Galactic. As of 15th of January, it was about 75% of all afloat stocks was sold short. And then let me now dive into the crazy stock options that I bought. Okay, so you understand that it's that's a serious YOLO calls, guys. Okay, so the first one I bought day before yesterday. These are Space July calls that expire on the 16th of 2021. $65 strike price. So until now, at least 50% out of the money. I bought it with average price, as you can see here, with $8.47. And basically this came then total to an investment of $8,470, which is now already, because space went up since then, those calls are up to almost $12,000. Okay, so nice gain here already. So these are the first $8,000 that are now already $12,000 almost, and then the next one is the following. Those are even more crazy, because I thought the other one were already, with the continuous going up stock price, too conservative. So I bought today, so yesterday, if you're watching this on Saturday, July, also 16 calls, 2021, $75 strike price. And I bought, the average price was $10 per call option contract, and it's now $10.2 thousand. Okay, so a little bit up here since I bought it here. The last price as of this recording was $10.65, so a little bit gain here. Obviously you have a big spread between bid and ask, but that's normal because there's not big average volume in those calls, but as they move into the money, then obviously there's volume picking up and so on and so forth. So as you can see, those are very serious investments, guys. Okay, very big YOLO investment. But again, this is just for the fun and being. I believe in this company. I believe with the current situation, this whole setup with Wall Street Bet, and already one of the 10 top discussed stocks there. We saw something similar already when Wall Street Bets talked about the stock in February 2020. 2020, so last year in Feb, when we saw the first all-time high of the stock. I will show it to you. This was here when the stock reached about $33 or $38. Here, obviously, I have to show it to you. So here was the all-time high since then, and we crossed that obviously just a couple of days ago. So here was the area where they talked about it there. So it's nothing like a new thing for Wall Street Bet to pick on Virgin Galactic, and that's why I decided to buy those YOLO calls. Don't copy it, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know what is big for you. If you want to just participate for the fun, buy $50, $100, guys. I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm not insane. I'm not. I'm a little bit of a retard here, stock market retard. We all are at some point, but I just want to show you guys very transparently what I'm sharing. Obviously, those moves are live, putting them on Discord. So if you want to join, click the links below into the description. And yeah, what should I say? I'm super excited. I'm super pumped. Those days are crazy. Those days are nice. You know, I'm loving it. This is stock market. Stock market is something so nice. You see new trends. You see these crazy stories. Everybody, the whole world is talking about that. And, you know, even people that are not interested into stocks read about that and are participating. This is crazy. This is new. This is 2021. So make sure to subscribe, like, follow me on Instagram, Wolf of Dubai Danny, and I see you obviously tomorrow with a brand new episode of Tesla Sundays with huge news, guys. So with this said, let me put my favorite video when I'm talking with my friends about Virgin Galactic. Here's what I'm saying.
So I was right. I took a rash of shit for 2 years, but I was right, and everyone was wrong. And yeah, I got a bonus check for it.